Hi guys, we're using this smart lock for review purposes, and I think it's really nice because you can install it yourself. It uses 4 AA batteries, and it's really nice. It's a keyless door, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, when we open it, we see that it's really well protected with lots of foam, and you can use a code and your finger. Okay. All you need to access some keys, card cards. There's a latch mechanism. Here is the main unit. Okay, it's really nice. I like how it looks. This is one side, and this is the okay, it's really nice. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay, as you can see, it's already installed. It's really nice. It's locked from the outside, so if you want to open it, you need to get the keys right here and use them to unlock. Okay, and it uses 4 AA batteries, so let's go ahead and place them. As you can see, it turns on. And what I'm gonna do is download the application so I can use all the functions like the code, the fingertip, the opening with my cell phone, or these kind of cards. Okay, so let's wait a second. We also need to make an account on the application, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. Doesn't take that much time. Okay, so let's go. And there is already. Now we can use it. We can lock it. Locks automatically. We can set all different configurations. Auto lock. And we're gonna set it to 10 minutes. Confirm. I'm gonna add a member. I'm gonna add my fingerprint.
Operation failed.
Okay.
Unlocked.
Now it's unlocked with my fingerprint. We're gonna wait a bit so it locks, as you can see. Now we're gonna add a passcode.
Operation successful.
Now I've got a passcode.
Unlocked.
As you can see, it's unlocked. Let's wait a second and get the card. Okay.
Please input. Operation successful.
Okay. As you can see, it's locked. Now I'm gonna use the card once again.
Unlocked.
Okay. So as you can see, it's really nice. It gives you different ways to access, and it's nice that you can unlock it, lock it, how you want to use it, set some temporary codes, which is like a one-time passcode, a short-term passcode, anything that you want to get, and you have this log of how it's opened, who's opened it, if it was with a passcode, with a card, with a key. So it's really nice. As you've seen, easy to install, easy to get the application. It ain't any confusing how to use the application. So it's really nice the way it works, and I would recommend it. See ya.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.